In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view the message ID of a Gmail email in just a few simple steps. This is helpful if you need to troubleshoot email delivery, verify a message source, or share technical details with support. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com, then sign into your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, open the specific email that you want to inspect. This is the message where you want to find the message ID. After the email opens, look to the top right corner of the message window and click the three-dot icon. This opens more options for that email. From the menu that appears, click Show Original. Gmail will now open a new page with the full raw message details. This is where you can see the complete technical information for the email, including headers, sender data, and other hidden message details. At the very top of the original message source, you should be able to view the Message ID field. That is the value you're looking for. You can copy it if needed and use it for email tracking, support requests, or verification purposes. If you don't see it right away, just take a moment to scroll through the original message headers at the beginning of the page, because the message ID is usually listed near the top. And that's it. You've now learned how to view the message ID of a Gmail email. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.